Hello there, welcome to your French lesson with Franco Planet. In this lesson, we are learning about the present continuous, le présent continu. Le présent continu or present continuous is actually used to express that something is in the process of happening as one is speaking. It is the equivalent of the ing verb with ing in English. To construct the present continuous, you will need the subject, of course, but then the être, to be, conjugated in the present tense with en train de, plus the infinitive of the actual verb expressing the action in progress. Example, je suis en train d'écrire. I am writing.
Je suis, I am. Je is the subject pronoun I. Suis is the verb être in the present tense for the subject. Je, en train de, in the middle of. Écrire, the verb in French that means to write. Je suis en train d'écrire. I am in the middle of writing. Put simply, it is I am writing. Je suis en train d'écrire. Another example. Ils sont en train de chanter. They are singing. Ils sont, they are. Il is the subject pronoun they. Sont is the verb être in the present tense for the subject. Ils. En train de, in the middle of. Chanter is the verb to sing in French. So put literally it is ils sont en train de chanter. They are in the middle of singing. Ils sont en train de chanter. Put simply means they are singing. Ils sont en train de chanter. If you have missed a lesson where the verb être or the auxiliary être is subconjugated in present tense, please go check that. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.
That's it for now. Please visit our website francoplanet.com to join the courses. We offer all kinds of courses for adults and children. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you may have access and get notified of the free French lessons and learning content that we will be up. Merci! Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson with Franco Planet, votre destination française.